Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So guys, if you're watching this video, please be very careful. I'm going to give detailed full tutorial on how to join from step 1 to the last step. So please watch this video. It is free opportunity. I always tell people, if you want to make money, immediately you see me post anything, watch the video fully, understand. If there is something that you don't understand, ask me. If you don't know how to access me, you can comment on the comment section, or you join our WhatsApp group. We have a WhatsApp group with over 500 members. I'm going to put the link on the not description, but on the comment section. Please hear me out. I'm going to put the link of the WhatsApp group and the app link on the comment section. Okay, I hope I'm clear. So if you're new on my channel or this is the first time you're watching my video, my name is Cynthia and you're all welcome. Okay, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't, you like the video, and turn the notification bell on so that any future video you won't miss and you'll be notified immediately I upload any new video. Okay, so let's get started. The first time I'm going to show you why I'm saying that this is free opportunity as early as now. I'm going to show you everything that you're supposed to know and why you should join. It is free and available worldwide. Okay, you don't need VPN, you don't need other funny things in order to join. Okay, so let's get started. For the first time you click on the link, it will take you to a page like this. Okay, so the first time you're gonna click accept all. Okay, listen to me, leave this code the way it is. Okay, they have create account using sign up with Google. No, just use this one, this option. Put your full name. You can put your first name and last name. You don't need to put the middle one. Then leave this code the way it is in order for you to get what I'm about to show you. Then put your email address, then password, then click create account. After that, they're gonna tell you to put your full name and the country you're from, okay, and the country zip code. Okay, you'll be good to go. Just tell everything the way it is in your documents, because you're gonna do KYC, you're gonna verify your account. Okay, so after that you're gonna log into your account. Let me show you. So guys, this is my new account. Like, aren't you all to see what I'm about to say? Okay, you can see this is active app. It is active app, and this coin that we're gonna grab for free, it is called KUSIB, KCB. Like, that is the coin for this app, KUSBIT community airdrop. So we're gonna go for it. You can see the pre-sale is live, to mean it's gonna go live soon. Guys, we grab this, and I saw that they wrote it's only 2 days remaining for the airdrop to end. Please, if you're watching this video, grab it immediately. It is free. So for the first time you log into your account, do this. You see this 0.25 USDT I have here, that is worth in KUSIB. It is just 0.5 the coin. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you what I'm saying. Okay, so if after log into your account, log into this place, you see this one, KUSIB community, this one, airdrop is live. Click on this airdrop, claim now. Okay, then we have welcome rewards, complete tasks to earn rewards plus quest bonuses. Leave alone the reward, click on airdrop. Okay, click on airdrop. Then under airdrop you can see, so in the morning, the first when I registered, I managed to click follow KUSIB KUSBITS Telegram Twitter channel, and I was given 0.5 KCT. That is the KCT, that is the coin of this app. This app is a crypto exchange app, just like Binance. You see, Binance has its own coin called BNB, right? The same way, this KCT is for this app. Okay, so these are the airdrop that are going to end soon. Okay, so I've done one already. So yeah, you follow instruction, like and retweet the post. So you're gonna go to claim, you tap on it, it will take you to the post that you're supposed to open the task. They're gonna tell you to put your Twitter or maybe screenshot. You go complete the task, and you have to prove, right? Okay, they're gonna tell you you're gonna put your Twitter or X username, then the screenshot of you reposting. Like this one is like and retweet the post. Okay, so we're gonna go to Twitter, okay, and like and retweet and take a screenshot, then provide our Twitter handle. If you don't know how to get that, go to your profile on Twitter, then click on and you'll see profile there. On your profile you'll see your Twitter handle. You just copy it. So this is the post that you're supposed to retweet and like. You can see the instructions: school speed, community. Okay, so we're gonna go to repost. Okay, you click on the repost, we go to repost, then we like. Okay, so repost and like, then take a screenshot like this. That is the only thing you need to do. We take a screenshot. Why is my screenshot taking years? Okay, we take a screenshot of this for the proof. Take a screenshot of the whole page. Then we're gonna go back to the place itself, right? Here.